Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to send a Google Doc to an email address. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To send an Google Doc to an email address, go to Google Doc and open the document and click on Files on upper left corner, and here you will find email and click on email this file, and here first option is send yourself a copy. Just select it. Now type to whom you want to send. I'm going to add the email address, and then this is the subject. You can type the subject as you wish. I'm going to type the message body test. Select here don't attach, include content in the email. Just click it. Now click on send to send the Google Doc as an email to an email address. Click on send. The email has been sent. This is the easiest way to send a Google Doc to an email address. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.